Harare PCC meeting rallies behind President Mnangagwa's Vision 2030. Sarapina mashoko in update iruda panguva ino aiwa irikuonekwa kunzi the situation is now tense. Yoonekwa kunzi panguva inoi vakomana vaya vatanga they are now consolidating power aiwa towards the 2030 plan will subscribe all icon on the bell icon. Tipina pahendo ya Harrison anodanyira chiti ZANU-PF Harare province today held its provincial coordinating committee PCC meeting in line with the party constitution to deliberate on key resolutions from the recently concluded 22nd National People's Conference held in Mutare. The meeting, chaired by ZANU-PF Provincial Chairperson, Comrade Godihus Masimurembwa, focused on implementing the resolutions at grassroots level, with particular emphasis on resolution number 1, the extension of His Excellency President E.D. Mnangagwa's leadership beyond 2028-2030. The gathering also welcomed newly admitted Central Committee members, including prominent businessman Dr. Kudakwa Chagure and Comrade Chaka Mashunganyika, as the province reaffirmed its unity and commitment to the party's developmental agenda. Provincial Commissioner Comrade Dambuza Voyage, Party Deputy Secretary for Security in Politburo, Comrade Ndaichirao, joined national and provincial executives in mapping a renewed trajectory towards Vision 2030, a prosperous, modern and empowered Zimbabwe under the Second Republic. Ndio mashoko aripo in update yezvakaitika yesterday muri yeZimbabwe. Panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi ZANU-PF aisimira especially the faction iraline 2030 vari kuzama each and every day kungava kubackground ma-indoor meetings kuti vanyasi kuona the best way vachizviita carefully kuti vakwanise kusecure the 2030 plan. Mbudzai mafungiro enyu mboti kudii pamusoro pechitiko nyasi kuonekwa kunzi this is a failed attack. Kuna VP Kosanda Chwenga vari kuonekwa kunzi is against that, vachiti mufika panguva ino muchiviolate the constitution. Pindai comment section medu mudze mafungiro enyu mboti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.